Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you buy crypto with credit card into your Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Binance application. And after opening the Binance, first of all, you have to make sure that into your P2P or the P2P payment method, you have connected your credit card. And if you have connected your credit card, you don't have to think much. You just simply have to go over the trade section and buy the Bitcoin. Otherwise, you just simply have to go into the payment method and add payment method, and especially add your credit card into here. Just simply do that. Now, if you want to know how to do that, you can check how to add credit card video into our channel. Otherwise, if you have already added, just simply go back to home page or the purchase page. Just simply select the crypto that you would like to buy. For me, I want to buy Bitcoin. In order to buy, just simply select the amount that you would like to buy, and after that tap to buy the selected crypto. Then you just simply have to choose the F2P trading where you have connected your credit card just now, and after that you just simply have to enable the SMS authentication and complete the KYC verification. And after that, you can easily buy crypto with your credit card. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.